Guys, now it's beginning to rain. It's scaring me a lot. Okay, let me just flip the camera around 1 second. Now look, it's now starting to begin to rain. Should have been outside while I could, guys. There's an awesome road truck. Now it's beginning to look like a thunderstorm. Oh, my OPS was all knocked over. That one right here is not a this baby one. It's like my other baby and like this heart. My gosh. I'll be back. Guys, I'm getting really scared. Oh my gosh, you need to look outside my window. It's shower girl here. I might be gonna cry. I don't want to cry during that video. Look, a moment. Comment down below if you really think there's gonna be a tornado here.